7 artificial intelligence tools to boost productivity and profitability. High money-making potential. The incorporation of artificial intelligence solutions has changed the game for businesses looking to improve productivity, streamline processes, and ultimately increase profitability in today's fast-paced corporate environment. Numerous cutting-edge solutions have appeared as a result of improvements in artificial intelligence technology to meet a range of commercial objectives. In this video, we'll examine 7 artificial intelligence techniques that have a great deal of potential to produce large financial rewards. But before we move on with the video, support the channel by liking this video and subscribing to this channel for future updates. Number 7. Unlock web development efficiency and longevity with 10web.io and durable.co. Platforms for artificial intelligence-driven web development like 10web and Durable combine speed, ease of use, and durability in a novel way to automate important parts of site design, development, and maintenance. These platforms make use of artificial intelligence algorithms. These tools significantly shorten the time required for creation while ensuring that websites stay engaging and functional over time. They can be used to design aesthetically pleasing layouts and optimize website performance. The time saved can be used for other activities that generate income. Number 6. OpusClip is revolutionizing the creation of video content. A unique artificial intelligence tool for producers of video material is OpusClip. It uses automation that is powered by artificial intelligence to streamline and expedite video editing procedures. OpusClip helps multimedia producers significantly reduce their time and work input for tasks like video cutting, transitions, and caption production. OpusClip has the potential to provide new revenue streams for both creators and companies by enabling quicker content creation and improving overall video quality. Number 5. Increasing content creation and marketing with ChatGPT Writer. An artificial intelligence-driven writing assistant called ChatGPT Writer has gained popularity for its capacity to help authors create content of a high caliber. This program generates interesting themes, original ideas, and grammatically correct material for everything from blog posts and articles to social media captions. Utilizing this platform will help businesses produce content consistently, engage audiences, and develop thought leadership, which will generate leads and conversions. Number 4. Tidio increasing sales and customer engagement. An artificial intelligence-powered chatbot platform called Tidio was created to improve customer interaction and support. Tidio streamlines customer service by guaranteeing that questions are immediately answered through personalized interactions and automated responses. Increased customer satisfaction frequently results in recurring business and favorable word-of-mouth referrals, both of which eventually lead to higher revenue. Number 3. DocuAsk, which expedites document management and processing. Workflows for document processing and administration are being transformed by artificial intelligence thanks to DocuAsk. This program automates operations like information retrieval from sizable document libraries, content categorization, and data extraction. DocuAsk increases operational efficiency, which can result in considerable cost savings and possibly unearth priceless insights from accumulated data by minimizing manual work and eliminating human errors. Number 2. Microsoft Copilot expediting coding and empowering developers. Microsoft Copilot is a coding assistant that increases developers' productivity and is driven by OpenAI's GPT-3 technology. Copilot quickens the development process by proposing code snippets, offering documentation references, and helping with debugging. By using this tool, software developers can complete their projects more quickly, resulting in quicker product launches and potential income increases. Number 1. Adobe Firefly, which uses artificial intelligence to transform creative design. The most innovative method of creative design on our list goes to Adobe Firefly. Firefly helps designers create original thoughts, automate tedious design chores, and improve aesthetic components by integrating artificial intelligence-powered capabilities into Adobe's acclaimed suite of design tools. The time saved on design revisions and iterations can be used to take on additional projects, increase the number of clients, and eventually increase revenue. As a result, artificial intelligence technologies are altering businesses by providing creative solutions that boost efficiency, streamline procedures, and eventually lead to revenue development. These 7 artificial intelligence tools offer distinctive chances for organizations to improve their operations, stand out in crowded industries, and make large financial advantages. They range from site development and video content generation to consumer engagement and creative design. Keeping up with these tools and efficiently integrating them could mean the difference between mediocrity and amazing revenue as the artificial intelligence field continues to change. That's it from this video. Let us know what you think about this video in the comment section below. If you enjoy this video, please like it and also subscribe to our channel. Thank you.